Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your UGreen WS100 earbuds. So first of all, as you can see in my case, they are visible to other devices, but unfortunately after a few moments I will have right here information that they cannot communicate with my phone. So wait until it pops on the screen. There it is. And at the first, just go back from the Bluetooth settings and power off Bluetooth on your phone or any device that you try to connect. Next, just be sure that both earbuds they are activated and they are charged. So when you click right here on each button, it means that they are turned off when the indicators are not activated. To turn them off, you have to click and hold together them until this indicator blinks white. Next, you have to activate the pairing mode. So click and hold until one of the indicator turns to the white and the blue. It will start blinking, as you can see, like that. They both are blinking. So right now you can just power on Bluetooth on your device and go to the pair new device. Try to select them right now. Try to accept the pairing request. And as you can see, in my case, they finally working with my Nokia phone. And that's one of the methods how we can fix them. I hope that this video gonna help you. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.